Hi, I'm Megan Mann, Marketing and Events Manager at ClickBank. I'm excited to announce that we are opening up the promotion of ClickBank University to all our affiliates. ClickBank University is an online education platform that we've developed to teach anyone how to build, market, and launch a product around their passions. We also teach people about affiliate marketing and how they can earn money promoting other people's products. The program itself is easy to follow and includes step-by-step video modules, weekly online live training sessions, and the powerful ClickBank Builder, which will allow you to build your sales funnel without any technical headaches. It's a point-and-click editor that was developed to integrate with our platform. At this time, ClickBank University has been live for 6 months and has over $1 million in sales with over 12,000 transactions. Since launch, we have done extensive split tests to optimize the sales funnel to ensure the highest possible earnings for our affiliates. Now that the funnel is converting better than ever, we want to give you an opportunity to not only promote a fantastic product, but to boost your paychecks as well. Along with that, I'm excited to announce the ClickBank University Affiliate Contest. The top 8 affiliates with the highest sales will win an exclusive trip to ClickBank's headquarters in Boise, Idaho. The winners will get to meet with the ClickBank team and get a behind-the-scenes look at ClickBank's operations. During the first day, we will have a mastermind to share success strategies, along with giving you the chance to tell us exactly what we need to do to help you make more money. The next day, the winning affiliates will be whisked away to Sun Valley, the world-famous ski resort, for a 2-day winter ski-cation with the ClickBank team. Now, don't think that you need to be a huge affiliate to win. We also will be selecting 2 affiliates at random to attend the Mastermind Ski-cation. All you need to do is make at least 1 sale to ClickBank University to qualify. As an added bonus, we are going to give away $20,000 of cold hard cash. So not only will the 10 winners get to come to Boise, Idaho and meet with the ClickBank team, the top 5 affiliates with the highest sales will split $20,000 with the number 1 affiliate winning $10,000 in cash. You can find out more details about the contest below. Don't miss your chance to meet the ClickBank team and learn the insider secrets that can make you more successful. I look forward to seeing you in Boise.